こんばんは皆さん、おはようございます午前12時です。サロンちゃんは寝るからとても静かです。じゃあ調味料は 24g もち粉と 24g ソフト豆腐と2大さじコールのスタルチと半額カップ砂糖5大さじソイソース1杯水。料理を前と後に手を洗ってください。ボウルに豆腐ともち粉を混ぜる。大さじサイズ丸める。大きい鍋で水を沸かす。ボールが浮いたら2、3分煮ます。水から取り出し、皿の上に置く。残りの材料を小さな鍋に入れます。中火で熱してかき混ぜます。沸騰するまで煮ます。この串に3つか4つの団子を刺す。フライパンを中火で熱す。薄茶色になるまで煮込む。団子を皿に入れてソースを絡めます。
One early morning, as I was walking, I met a woman, started talking. I took her home to get a few nips, but all I had was a mint julep. One mint julep was the cause of it all. I don't remember just how it started, but all I know is we should have parted. I stole a kiss and then another. I didn't mean to take her. One mint julep was the cause of it all. The lights were burning low there in the parlor window, the kitchen door. Up popped her father, he said, I saw you wet. You kissed my daughter, got
You are not grasping that with your hands. You are not. I know you're not. Oh.
I didn't know just what I was doing. I had to marry all face ruin. A mint julep, a mint julep, a mint julep, a mint julep. One mint julep was the cause of it all. I don't want to bore you with my troubles, but from now on I'll be thinking double. I'm through with flirting and drinking with
I got 6 extra children from a getting frisky.
a mint julep, a mint julep, a mint julep, a mint julep. One mint julep was the cause of it all.